Ayureshwari Shilajit. Potential benefits of Shilajit. Shilajit, also called mineral pitch, contains fulvic acid and many other minerals. Taking it as a powder or supplement may help boost brain function, slow the aging process, increase fertility, and more. Shilajit is the result of a long process of breaking down plant matter and minerals. It is a sticky, black, tar-like substance that comes from rocks in high mountain ranges. Shilajit may have several benefits for the body. This may be due in part to the high concentration of fulvic and humic acids, as well as many minerals. The numerous compounds found in Shilajit may be helpful for brain function, and may even aid Alzheimer's therapy. The compounds in it may help control cognitive disorders, such as Alzheimer's. Researchers expect Shilajit to have an impact in preventing cognitive disorders. As such, it may help reduce free radicals and cellular damage in the body, which are two key factors in aging. Daily supplementation of Shilajit may contribute to overall vitality and a slower aging process. Anemia develops when the blood does not have enough healthy cells or hemoglobin. There are many causes of anemia, including iron deficiency. Iron deficiency anemia can cause numerous symptoms in the body, including irregular heartbeat, fatigue and weakness, cold hands and feet, headache. Shilajit contains high levels of humic acid and iron, which may be helpful in treating iron deficiency anemia. A research study noted that Shilajit could fight off and kill many different viruses in isolated environments, including some herpes viruses. Researchers noted that Shilajit might help improve cell functions in the body, which means it may reduce fatigue at the source of the problem and increase energy levels naturally. One of the claims made by traditional practitioners is that Shilajit can help alleviate altitude sickness. The changes in pressure at high altitudes can greatly affect some people. Symptoms of altitude sickness range from body pain and fatigue to lung congestion and low oxygen in the brain. Shilajit is a complex substance that contains more than 80 different minerals, as well as fulvic acid and humic acid. Shilajit also shows promise in fighting against certain types of cancer cells. One study trusted source found that Shilajit helped force the destruction of cancerous cells in the liver. It also stopped these cancer cells from multiplying. Carrying extra weight can tire the muscles and put stress on the bones. Researchers noted that the Shilajit seemed to activate genes in the body that helped the skeletal muscles quickly adapt to the new workout. This could mean less fatigue and more strength over time. Male fertility and testosterone. Shilajit has also been studied to increase male fertility. Ayureshwari Shilajit contains more than 65% fulvic acid, and best available as a supplement that can be dissolved in milk or water. The recommended dose of Shilajit is 200 to 500 milligrams per day. For more information, please contact us on www.ayureshwari.com or call us +91 8360812257.